And tonight at 11, a News for Your Health special report about a new drug-free treatment for migraine headaches. Experts say it's changing minds, literally. They're using video games controlled by your thought process to cure migraine headaches. These therapists are trying to teach patients to control their own brain waves, and that, they say, will also relieve migraines. It's called neurofeedback therapy, or what one practitioner calls brain exercise. Don't miss our special report, Mind Games, tonight on News 4 at 11. News for Your Health tonight about chronic headaches. They affect 45 million Americans every year, and they can be devastating, stopping you in your tracks for days at a time. But some people are finding relief from a surprising new source. No drugs or surgery involved.
Let me see. What are you making?
Anna D. Edelstein still has vivid memories of her first migraine headache 15 years ago.
That was just so excruciating. I got so dizzy, walked into the wall, I got nauseous, and it was so intense I couldn't take any light, any sound.
Edelstein saw lots of doctors and tried at least 10 different prescription drugs. They either didn't work or made her drowsy.
The problem is that you're so drugged out that you may not have your headache pain, but then you have the other problem. I was falling asleep while driving. I had the kids in the car with me. I used to have to pinch myself or cause myself pain to try to stay awake. Close your eyes.
But 6 months ago, Edelstein started a new treatment and hasn't had a headache since. It doesn't involve a new drug or a surgical procedure. Instead, she's been playing games with her mind, something psychologist Deborah Stokes calls brain exercise, or more scientifically, neurofeedback.
And just try to empty your mind. It's exercise for the brain because it's like going and getting a workout at the gym. And try to remember this at home when you feel a headache coming on. Sensors are attached to the scalp, which read the brain waves and convert them into a video game on the screen, so people are able to play the video game using the brain waves. They don't touch the controls. Bring that ship back with your thoughts.
A typical game might involve trying to move an object on the monitor. Here it's a spaceship. The different spaceships on the screen correlate with the patient's brain waves. So if one specific brain wave is moving in an irregular pattern, the corresponding spaceship will then move in a certain direction on the screen. Patients then have to figure out how to move the spaceship back into place using their thought process. That helps control the brain waves.
Seems to give them some sort of internal stability, so they don't have migraines or meltdowns or whatever it is that they're having problems with.
Stokes says the scientists don't know exactly why neurofeedback works, but they think it has something to do with relaxing the mind. She's conducting a clinical trial and says she's seen dramatic results so far. Of the 30 patients she's treated, 70% have either had significant improvement or have gotten rid of their migraines altogether. Edelstein says migraine sufferers should know there are other options out there.
Medication-free, which is a huge thing.
It's not a quick treatment, it's more of a process. Patients see results after about 40 sessions, and it may be tough or even impossible to get your health insurance company to cover the cost, about $130 per session. Stokes has also seen good results, she says, for treating attention deficit disorder, anxiety, and insomnia. For more information on neurofeedback and Stokes' practice in Alexandria, go to NBC4.com and click on Health.